How to identify duties and responsibilities in a relationship. There are no longer gender roles and obligations in relationships or marriages, and this is a good thing. Couples nowadays have the option to assign tasks and obligations to each other depending on the skills and talents of the individuals involved. Occasionally, the patriarchal character of our culture will impose its will. These might include everything from who will cook and do the laundry to who will make the rent payment. A number of groups have argued for gender-specific restrictions on various professions. Men and women have always had a distinct division of labor in Kenya, according to family therapist Lawrence Kibiru. Some guys, for example, refuse to wash the laundry or go into the kitchen because they believe it is the domain of women. Others think it is the man's responsibility to provide for the family, hence they will never purchase salt for the house. According to Dr. Chris Hart, a psychotherapist and the author of Single and Searching, no two people's obligations can ever be divided equally. There will be moments when one of you has to give everything because the other can't. Often, it's hard to tell who is doing more for the other or the partnership in good relationships, he adds. You must, however, learn not to grumble or evade when it is your time to provide more. When it comes to sharing tasks in your partnership, communication will be at the core. You may learn a lot about your partner's personality and upbringing by having open and honest conversations with him or her. Lucia Olu, a psychologist and family therapist, adds that discussing your strengths and weaknesses can help you better understand how you might work together. Psychologist Jenny Karina, author of Marriages Built to Last, agrees. Gifts and skills have no regard for a person's gender. It is important to let each other to use their gifts in jobs and responsibilities, she advises. When it comes to obligations, one partner in a relationship is likely to be passive and unconfrontational. When it comes to financial management, for example, he may have a higher level of interest than in other areas. This does not necessarily imply that Dr. Frederick Newman has abdicated his obligations and responsibilities, according to Rising Above Fear author Dr. Frederick Newman. A relationship or marriage will not be damaged by an arbitrary division of labor.